what you must understand, guys, is the atom is at the core, the center of the apple of Eden. Okay, the apple of Eden, the tree of life, is the process of ZOW. Okay, ZOW is the most powerful 3-letter word in the universe. Okay, because within that is the symbolism in the language of parallel universe shapeshifter consciousness. Okay, and this is where you can do anything instantly. And so if you think about Adam and Eve, and you think about, okay, before the first sin was heaven on earth, and you think that all dreams came true and you had eternal life. Okay, that's what heaven is. All of your dreams come true and you have eternal life. And so realize what ZOW is. ZOW is the beginning and the basics. And so when you find the room of resonance within the ZOW, so that means the Z is you're choosing a box. Okay, you're choosing a home, you're choosing a room. Now the O is a lot of times looked at as the Metatron cube. Well, the reality is the O is you sitting at the campfire with the group of people inside the Z. The Z is what you're doing. The O is the group, and then W is the tool or the instrument that you're using. So it could be a phone, it could be a baseball bat, it could be a witch broom. Okay, so when you put those together, and it's more than just that, but when you realize the trident, okay, the trident of Atlantis, the trident that was used in Atlantis by the founders of the heavens and the Greek gods, okay, and they all had their own, rod or wand, and so did the Egyptians in mythology, and so you have this wand or this rod that is a power source, just like you see in Harry Potter, okay, just like you see in the movies, okay. And so it gets to be a little spooky when the science fiction stuff is starting to become science fact, and it's like, whoa, hold on there, slow it down just a little bit. I don't know if I'm ready for that. Wow, well, hold on, let's slow down. Can this just be a movie? I don't know if I actually want this to be real life. This is a little too powerful. I feel that, wow, I'm a little too powerful. We need to slow this down just a little bit. Do I really want to start flying on a broom here soon? Because it seems like that's what it feels like. I'm gonna start flying on a broom any moment now. Okay? Any freaking moment I'll be flying on a broom.